All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the trade desk. Okay, this is TTD, and this has been a Discord favorite. Okay, a lot of members of the Discord, trade TTD shares frequently. Okay, the shares, recently, I mean, they went from what is this, in the 60s, $68 to 114. I mean, that was a quick run up, very quick. We're looking at the daily chart right now. If you guys are bullish on this, I've got your breakout levels, I've got your bullish price targets to take profit at, and all the resistance levels you're going to face in between there. Okay, so before we dive into them, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys find anything helpful or useful about this video. Okay, so here we have this is the 50-day moving average, and this is the 100-day moving average right here in the red. So currently, TTD is trading above it on the daily chart, which is nice. Okay, this is good to see. So, we've been using it as support here, and, we started to dip below it, but as soon as we did, we found support closer to the 100 simple moving average. And, now we're using it as support again, bouncing off of support. So that's a good sign to see. All right. So what we're going to want to see is we're going to want to see TTD continue and maintain to have the 50 SMA as a support level and trade above the 50 SMA. And also you want to see the 50 SMA go in an upwards direction. Okay. You see how it's going in an upwards direction. We want this to continue to go up, and we want TTD to open and close above this. All right. That is going to be a sign of maintained bullishness. Our breakout level is going to be right here at 98.16. Okay, and then our first take profit, or I'm sorry, bullish price target is going to be 107.56. All right, now we're going to face resistance before we hit 107.56 at 102.73. So feel free, if you're day trading or swing trading, to take a little bit of profit there. We could see a pullback, okay, and face resistance there, then find support at our breakout level of 98.16, and then we head up towards the bullish price targets. Okay, so the last bullish price target for this is going to be 117.33. Now this is there's a little bit of speculation that January is going to be a good month for certain stocks in the stock market. All right, and they're saying that January has the potential for a lot of stocks to create new all-time highs or touch their all-time highs again. Okay, and so that's what these breakout levels and resistance levels are going to help you guys with. Okay, if you look here, we have a very clear this kind of is how I got these levels. Okay, we have a very, very, very nice inverse head and shoulders on the daily chart. Okay, so that's this right here. I'll draw it up for you guys. All right, and that would look like this. Okay, so this is our neckline basically that we need to break out. This is our breakout level. All right, now we're pulling back already. We're forming a little bit of a right shoulder. If we do perhaps happen to pull back, okay, and try to pull back harder, so here's the left shoulder. If the right shoulder needs to fall down a little bit more, we have a major support level at 88.92. Okay, and look for it to catch support there and perhaps drop a little bit below there. Okay, maybe down to like 84, 85, but not stay there for long. Okay, so I'm pretty bullish on this, but in case we do pull back, look for it, or look for a strong support level at 88.92. And if we fall below there, 84, 85 is going to be right where I think we bounce, right in between the 100 simple moving average and right around these levels here where it already bounced previously. Okay, so the main thing to be cautious of, okay, if you're a bear and you think TTD is going to go down, is this huge daily gap we have from 81 down to 73. Okay, and that was created on earnings. Okay, on earnings, it had a bad day heading into earnings, and then they smashed and destroyed earnings and gapped up insanely after that. Okay, so big opportunity there. But that created a gap down. The gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so TTD may come back down to 75, but if it runs up to 115 again, do you want to miss out on it just because you're waiting on the gap to fill down below? No, you don't, right? But you want to be cautious of it and be prepared, so that way if things do start to go the wrong way, in the wrong direction, you already have a plan. You kind of know where it's going to go to, and you can, short it. You can buy puts. You can ride that momentum into the gap down. And, when things are bullish, don't fight the trend. It's bullish right now. All right. I mean, just look at the chart. It's going up, consolidating, going up.